What'd they say? They told you they won't pay?
They told you they won't pay?
They denied your case?
Angel,
Tell
they
them
denied your case?
Let them know Hadi law in the house. We don't play. We just light them up. TexasTorch.com.
TexasTorch.com, my friend. Make sure they know. There's only one way. Set up shop at 26. Never thought these peeps were full of tricks. I gave them offers and offers and offers. In the end, begging them, please, say go do what you gotta do. Now you got them on their knees, bro. And I guess, after filing over 1,000 cases, so many adjusters shifting places, ain't even trying to get even, guys. Real life, like my son says. Our client was crying when they said she had won. First she was nervous, but then she cheered up quick when we heard. Like my boy says, in real life. In real life? Yeah, of course, in real life. Mr. Angel, how are you, sir?
I'm doing fantastic. How about yourself, sir?
Doing good.
They should know where the Texas torch. Bitches cares always play dumb. And defense lawyer see.
You got the lyrics memorized or not yet? Come on, drop a beat. COVID messed up the way we litigating. Most of the courts are closed. You gotta learn how to survive. Crazy, we're back to trying our weekly cases. We're carrying our torches when we go courtside. Think about it. Stare in their faces when we do our vardar. Yeah, guys, if you haven't already subscribed, you got to. You got to subscribe to our YouTube pages. My friends, everyone watching, if you haven't checked it out, we got some cool videos up here. This is our car show.
Ever since I left the city, ever since I left the city. Ever since I left the city,
Julianne, what's up, Julie?
ever since I left the city, you used to call me on my cell phone.
Mr. CT.
Late night when you need me, call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need me. I know when
I'm bling. Yeah. I feel bad, guys. I feel bad sometimes jamming someone else's song, So, but we got to give them props, man. Music makes your life go. It makes you more creative. And look at all these. You know what's the best video, my friend? These videos right here, if y'all are on YouTube watching, these were done right before the Texas freeze, right? Because it was just 4 of us here in the office, right when COVID was kind of like end of year 1, approaching almost year 1 of COVID. And the freeze happened, and then we had to relocate because the pipe busted and flooded. Remember?
Yes, sir.
It was just us 3 and Miss Jessica in the room grinding. But I want to show y'all this one. 20,000 views, my friend. Can y'all see it? And
have you done any traveling since the accident?
Have you done any
¿Usted
traveling?
ha viajado desde el accidente? No.
This is a State Farm lawyer. And if you count, she waited 21 seconds while I'm sitting there on my laptop typing. She thought I was playing and not listening. But I typed. She's pausing. She's paused for like 10 seconds. And I was like, I wonder why she's pausing. Like, what is she going to ask? And she asked the one question: you cannot violate the privilege between a client and an attorney.
Do you understand that we've made an offer of settlement of $37,000?
We've made an offer of $37,000. You're trying to ask my client what? You don't think my clients know? You're offering my client $37,000 because she's a lovely Hispanic lady. She should jump on that money, right, Angel? And that's why. That's why.
In trial or here, who's we?
She wanted to make sure she knew that we're asking that question. She's getting that offer.
I'm not asking that. Okay.
Then take the question off.
I will withdraw the question.
You will withdraw the question. In 1 week, $100,000. In 1 week. In 1 week. And that's the problem with these insurance companies. State Farm. State Farm. Guys, those of y'all watching, thank you for joining us to another edition of Fear the Beard. And today we're live and alive with myself and
Mr. Angel.
Miss Angel in the house. Yes,
How's it going,
sir.
everybody?
Angel, tell us a little bit about yourself, my friend.
Well, I'm a legal assistant for the firm. I've just hit 3 years, and what I pretty much do is I get the ball rolling. I set up the claims, I talk to the clients. So basically, I am the client's voice, and what we do is we take care of everything. We talk to the adjuster, we talk to the insurance company on your behalf. So any issues you don't want to deal with, just call us, and we'll get that burden out of you.
Yeah, and you know, a lot of clients always say, and they have a right to, by all means, I want to talk to a lawyer and only a lawyer. And if we're available, if I'm here, all day I'm on calls with all my clients. But sometimes I might be tied up, giving away tickets, in court today like I was, in a virtual hearing, in trial, and I just don't feel like it's okay for our clients to wait. And that's why we have our pre-lit team here. Mr. Angel?
Yes, sir.
Who dat?
It's Julianne.
What?
Miss Julianne.
Miss Julianne in the house. Miss Jessica. Right? Miss Farah helps with medicals and pre-lit.
Yes, sir.
Yep. And we even have dedicated attorneys in our pre-lit department. Mr. Steve Thomas, Miss Anita. And Anita, ride or die from day one. So we try to make sure the clients have all the attention they need. And it might not be me, guys. I am here slaying for y'all. Lighting up the torch as best as we know how. Hello. 15% or more. No, what is it? 15 minutes more can save you 15% on your car insurance. Yeah, I bet. Because you're going to take someone's full coverage insurance and slice their uninsured motorist and PIP to make it seem like you're saving them money, taking advantage of them. So, guys, we were cleaning up, getting ready for the show today, and I found something. And this is a verdict search result. This client isn't with us anymore. God bless him. The accident didn't have anything to do with it. Age did. But this was a case where GEICO had a $50,000 insurance policy. And I told him, he gave me that classic car up there. I told him, I was like, to State Farm, did I say GEICO?
Sorry?
Did I say GEICO or State Farm? State Farm. State Farm had a $50,000 insurance policy. And I asked him very nicely. Actually, it was the same lawyer who was just in the hearing with Mr. Stagg. I don't want to say his name. He's a good guy. But they wouldn't pay the $50,000. They wouldn't pay. I just don't understand. I mandamus the judge in Galveston County. It was my first mandamus ever, which a mandamus in short means I feel like the judge was wrong on the law. And I issued a mandamus. The other side was trying to inspect my client, get a medical examination. And this was in 2016, in 15 when I mandamused him. And I lost in 3 days. World record for me on a mandamus. But at the same time, in 2018, I set precedents in the Court of Appeals on the same issue. Sometimes you don't win, and sometimes you do. 18 months. I set standards in a case, INRE Miguel Sanchez, if y'all want to Google it, I-N-R-E, Miguel Sanchez, that insurance companies can't just come and say, hey, we want to inspect your client. I know I've talked about this, but it's something that you don't always get to do. Long story short, now you have to follow my standards as of 2018. The defense lawyers have to go through all the policy, procedures and protocols to be able to get an examination of your client. This case here, I don't know if you see it, $175,000. It's okay. $175,000 verdict. Settlement. They didn't let me get to a verdict. In mediation, second mediation, they wouldn't pay me the $50,000. I settled for $175,000 for my client. Unbelievable. We could have gone to trial and got more. We could have got less. But whatever it was, verdict search decided to write about it. And I just found it right now. We're cleaning all this desk area and this area that we haven't really utilized. And I was like, wow, what a blessing to find that. So, guys, last week we talked about settling and calling like that. We're settlers. We're the type of lawyers who are settlers, and we'll save it for next time. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be right back after a brief commercial break.
This is a paid advertisement for legal services for the Hadi Law Firm. You're hurt in a car accident and your insurance refuses to pay. Choose your representation. You chose Hadi Law Firm. Round 1. Fight. Finish him. Hadi, the Texas Torch, one of the more feared law firms in Texas.
All right, we're back after that brief commercial break. Guys, it's the same mask. It's the same gecko costume. You know, the head's still here after we finish them. But I'm going to show you this video where the lawyer last week, remember the one whose defendant was convicted of attempted murder? Remember? She was like, Mr. Hadi, word in the street is that you settle right before trial. Man, with all due respect, Miss Sanders with Anderson Truitt, you haven't even tried a case. God bless. Definitely not through COVID. So for the last 2.5 years, you haven't tried a case. And before that, maybe, I don't know, none. So I don't understand why you think it's okay to come and say someone like myself, and I'm a nobody, guys. I'm a nobody. 62 trials, board certified, top 2%. Federal trials, like federal, I've spoken to federal jury panels, and I've gone all the way to verdict. Top 1% of lawyers get in that experience range. But I'm a nobody guy. I'm a settler. So I say that to say, we had trial this morning. We're in trial right now, God bless, in South Texas. And we had trial this morning in a different county other than Harris. And the defense lawyer was at $20,000 last week. Wouldn't negotiate. Very difficult. You got to move. You got to bid against yourself. He tried everything. We round tabled it. The supervisor, I can't tell you this. This is what he said. I can't tell you this. The adjuster's really mad that she's even going to give you this number. 6 a.m. this morning, the phone call comes in, $75,000. From 20 to 75.
Big jump.
I'm the settler? What am I supposed to do when you make that much of a drastic jump? You know what I said? No. Yep. We settle for $77,500. Another $2,500, right? For saying we're going to show up to trial and settle the case. So, Mr. Angel.
Yes, sir.
Tell me a little bit about your day today, man. How's it been?
Busy. Very busy.
I like that. He just gets straight to the point, which is a blessing.
Yes, it is.
But Miss Angel helps a lot of our new clients set up their cases and claims, right? Helps them get acquainted with medical facilities that assist them with their injuries.
I do.
Helps procure and obtain police reports.
I do.
Organizes their virtual claim file.
I do.
My friends, when you come and sign up with the Hadi Law Firm, you can download the app, send this information, but you get a virtual file. You're more than welcome to ask us to share it with you, and we can share it with you, and you can see progress. Just safeguard. There's a lot of confidential information that pertains to your case. But we make it easy for our clients to send us documents, to communicate with us, and you can text us, you can message us, and, you know, what else, Mr. Angel?
Well, as far as being busy and getting the claims set up, I mean, basically, like I said before, we take the burden off our hands and we take care of everything. There's nothing much you have to worry about, but if you have any questions or doubts or concerns, you could always give us a call. Most likely, you'll be speaking to Ms. Julianne, Ms. Jessica, anyone in the pre-lit team, sorry.
Right?
Sure.
You help them with rentals?
Yes, I do. As a matter of fact, I do as well.
Yeah, and we work with a great rental company, a friend of mine from childhood, and we try to put our clients in a rental vehicle as soon as possible following an incident. Remember, You hire an attorney to help you get back on your feet, right? Is it okay if I wear it?
Yeah.
It's okay? I went out the other day and someone was like, why are you wearing sunglasses inside? I was like, I forgot. I was like, but I don't know where to put it. Do I put it in my collar? Do I put it in my hair? I don't want to ruin it. And I don't want to put it in my pocket and break it. So just leave it on the face. Guys, you're more than welcome to come by the office. Pick up a backpack. Get a swag bag. Get some gum, lip balm. Get some sunglasses. Some what? Make an appointment? Nah. You don't need an appointment to get a swag bag, girl. Just come pick up a swag bag. If you're here in the morning time or evening, whenever, come make some coffee. Enjoy a cup of coffee. Hang out. But I want to thank everyone for entering the giveaway for the Mo Amer tickets, guys. You know what I saw on TV today?
What was that?
Our boy Mo Amer took a family, multiple families whose apartment caught on fire, to Academy and gave them a shopping spree. Yeah, man, that's, when you're raised in A-Leaf, I was born and raised in A-Leaf. When you grow up in A-Leaf, you understand the value of giving back. Because you see your parents come, and usually they came for a reason, right?
Yes, sir.
They wanted a better life for us.
Yes, sir.
And they worked hard. My dad definitely, all of our parents, all of our family members, all of our parents. And the best value to instill in someone is giving back. Always give back. Someone holds the door open for you, hold the door open for 5 other people. Maybe those 5 do it for 25 people. Those 25 for 50, 200, 1,000. So always give back. But Mo, Mr. Amer, thank you so much for giving back to the community. It means a lot. I'm very excited to give away your tickets. I wish we bought more, but it sold out quick, so we couldn't even do it. Am I messing this up again? I am.
I've been using it too much.
I know. I think we need to turn it on. Where are the butane tanks at? Are they under the cabinet still or in the storage?
Storage.
Yeah? We should go outside real quick. We need a fire department. Can you imagine we torch the parking lot? Boxers are going to get so mad. But we just tell them we'll just repaint the white strips. So, my friends, we had multiple individuals sharing the post, which is giving out love to Mr. Amer and hyping up our A-Leaf community. And y'all saw he was good friends with Mr. Toby Nwigwe, another product of A-Leaf. And it's great, to see our A-Leaf individuals growing up and, giving back. So, yes, sir. What were you saying?
Nothing, sir. Just not really.
The what?
Ready for the raffle?
Oh, for sure.
Maybe I'll win.
Did you enter?
You entered?
I cut them out, maybe my name slipped in there.
Aw, nah. If we pick your name,
Then I picked the winner.
yeah, then you get to pick another name. So you really put your name in
Yeah,
here?
it is.
Oh, come on, girl.
But I wrote mine. Everyone else is just like,
Just to see if you get it?
Yeah, no.
Okay. Oh, good.
No.
My friends, everyone watching out there, look, there was so many entries. Thank you, everyone who joined the raffle. I'm going to put them all back in, give everyone a fair chance. I've seen some of my friends use computer programs to pick a name. It's just not the same, I like to enjoy it, and wow, there's so many names here, so many people. So thank you all so much. These are tickets for Wednesday night at the Improv Improv Houston, right? That's what it's called? Improv Houston, Wednesday at 7:30. The winner, please send us a message on the DM. Give us your information, name, email, phone number, address, and then we'll send you the tickets. I think we can do it virtually, but we'll definitely be in touch to give it to you as soon as possible. You want to pick?
Sure.
All right, man. You sure? I mean, it's now or never, bro.
Well, my hand's already out. I'm going to go for it.
What if you picked the wrong name?
Nah, you know what? You're right. I don't want to take out Julianne.
Ah.
Yeah, I don't want to take out Julianne.
Nah, let's see. Mix it up. Oh, who'd you get?
I got a Hannah R. Marie.
Hannah R. Marie. Congratulations, Miss Hannah. Thank you for entering. And hit us up. Yes, sir. Hit us up on the DM to come and collect your free 2 tickets to Mr. Mo Amer. Guys, when you go to the show, take a picture, tag us. If you get to see Mo, tell him Hadi said, what's up, my friend? How are you? Congratulations. Thank you for giving back. And if y'all got any ideas for any type of giveaway or just a series, let us know. Kind of like that show Ridiculous. We're not going to open up and view your videos, but we'll definitely take it into consideration. So thank you guys. Miss Julian is going to cut the live. And enjoy your Monday. Don't forget to stay live and alive with the Texas Torch. Yeah. What do they say? Stare in their faces when we do our voir dire.
Okay, there you go, Mr. Hadi.
Stop.